You have joined Deepa with some other.
हाँ,
तुमने
अभी नेहा का है मेरा।
कौन है नेहा?
मैंने भेजा अपने साइड।
अच्छा, आपने किया?
जी।
एडमिट कर लो।
हाँ,
एक
बोलेंगे।
मैंने अभी प्रवीण भेजा।
रामेश्वर भी आ गया। रामेश्वर को प्रवीण कौन है?
मैं हूँ। अरे आठ
आज
दस लोग तो दिखने चाहिए सामने।
आज दो तीन का है कंफर्मेशन का कि वो
कोई
आएंगे।
बात, जो आएंगे वो आएंगे अब तो। जो
तो गाड़ी गाड़ी चल चुकी है।
हाँ, इस मोमेंट पे हम डिस्कस नहीं करते, इस मोमेंट पे जो है उसके उसके साथ काम करते
जिनको बैठना है बैठे, बाकी बाकी तो चलना शुरू।
हैं। मेरी वो तो नहीं हो रहा, इको तो नहीं हो रहा, मैंने दूसरी साइड से म्यूट और बंद ठीक।
तो अभी तो कोई और है नहीं।
गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून।
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून बाबर। आज अनुज का है?
आज जरूरत है अनुज की।
हाँ?
मेरा आज अनुज की ज्यादा जरूरत है।
वो लैपटॉप अनुज का ही था ना, तो मुझे उस टाइम पे ध्यान नहीं आया क्या नाम करना है, तो मुझे ध्यान आया मेरे लैपटॉप तो अनुज का ही यूज कर रहा है, तो उसी का नाम मैंने फिर।
अभी जरूरत है अनुज की, अनुज
आज
को
अनुज
बुलाओ।
की जरूरत है।
हम्म, अभी तक नहीं है कोई पार्टिसिपेंट आज।
हम भी नहीं।
है
आप
ना?
टीम को बता देते ना कि
है ना,
ये लोग
नेहा,
हैं।
प्रवीण, सुनीता।
नहीं ठीक है अभी। अंशु ये बता देना कोई रियल वाला ज्वाइन कर भी रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, वो तीन की पता। हम
पता
सूडो
है।
को ही पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं।
नहीं, ये ट्रांसलाइन के ट्रांसलाइन से आएंगे एक, और दो तीन लोगों ने बोला है ज्वाइन करने के लिए।
नहीं मेरा जब ज्वाइन करने वाले होंगे बता देना, ऐसा ना हो कि हम सिर्फ सूडो लोगों को ही प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं।
ठीक है सर।
अभी कोई आया है अभी ब्रेकआउट रूम में?
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं।
अभी कोई नहीं है वेटिंग रूम में।
एक्चुअली आजकल सैटरडे को लोग कम रखते
हाँ जी।
हम्म।
सैटरडे की बजाय है ना थर्सडे फ्राइडे का करना चाहिए हमें भी। नेक्स्ट टाइम
हैं।
जब भी करेंगे तो थर्सडे फ्राइडे का होना चाहिए।
दो
ठीक है
वर्किंग डे विल बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट।
दीपा, सैटरडे को ना जो भी कंपनी वाले वो नहीं आते। हाँ नहीं फ्राइडे ही रख लो।
एक ही ठीक है, अभी देख लिया हमने ना, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है दो करने से कोई ज्यादा। एक ही ठीक है, फ्राइडे वाला ठीक।
3:30 तो हो गए।
हाँ अभी तो वो भी नहीं अंदर। राजेंद्र पूछता है।
आया?
नहीं वेटिंग रूम में पहले तो था।
अंशु, और कोई है जिसने इंटरेस्ट दिखाया था? कितने लोग आज एक्सपेक्टेड है?
चार
नहीं,
चार हैं सर एक्सपेक्टेड। चार ऐसा एक विप्रो, एक ट्रांसलाइन, एक सीआईपीएल और एक डीपीआई वर्ड।
तो उनको मैसेज भेज दो।
हाँ मैम भेज रहे हैं।
अभी कोई नदीम है।
हाँ ये ट्रांसलाइन एडमिन कर लो।
ठीक, अब तो कर
ठीक।
देते। 5:30 हो गए।
हाँ कर दो।
Good afternoon, everybody. We are just waiting for a few minutes and then we'll start.
Yeah, sure. No problem, sir.
Good afternoon. We'll just start in a minute. 3:35 will start.
Okay.
Deepa, I think we can start now. Uh, Good
Yes.
afternoon, everybody, and thanks for joining on Saturday afternoon. We wanted to introduce our help desk software to the team. So thanks for that. Deepa, I think we can start the session.
Yes. Thank you, Mukul. A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope I'm audible and I'll be sharing my screen. So, Mukul, you can let me know if
Yes,
the
yes.
screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So we are going to talk about our product, which is Helpdesk. We are from Tetra Information, and we are going to talk about our product, which is Helpdesk. And I'm going to give an overview of this particular product, which would be used for enhancing user satisfaction through an efficient issue resolution mechanism. So when we are talking about this help desk, what is it exactly? So it's a ticketing system. It's a tool to manage and track the inquiries, issues, and requests which comes in. And it centralizes the communication and the workflow for the various departments. So what is the vision? Why did we create this product? So the vision is to create a seamless and efficient system for managing and resolving issues. And goals are to improve the response time and customer satisfaction, reduce the operational cost of the organization, and enhance productivity, provide uh, a lot of insights through the data that we collect, the data and the analytics. All right. So moving ahead, what is it that our tool offers? It is actually a unified platform where the tickets can come from anywhere, from multiple channels via email, chat, phone, into the single interface of ours. It is a streamlined workflow, automates the ticket creation process, assignment, and the resolution process. So that workflow is completely streamlined. As soon as your query comes to our system, a ticket is generated, it is assigned automatically on the basis of certain rules, and then the resolution happens for that ticket. It facilitates enhanced collaboration among the team members, the departments, and it is proudly made in India by our organization. So this is about the particular product. Now, when we look at this product, which is the ticketing tool, what is it used for, and what are the use cases? Where all can an organization use this particular product? So the first use case is in IT support and help desk situations where incident management, service request, problem management, these are required. So it can be used there. It can be used in all kinds of customer support related issues, like you handle the queries, you handle technical support, or maybe an organization handles refunds and returns. So those requests could also be managed through this particular tool. In the HR, finance, and employee services department, managing employee issues, payroll issues, invoicing issues, those issues can be handled through this system. In cases of facility management where maintenance request, asset management, etc. is required, so those can be handled through this. The various verticals where it can be used, like IT companies, manufacturing, BFSI, government, and of course, this is not the boundary. It can be used in most of the verticals, wherever any ticketing system is required. So what are the salient features, the smart features of this particular product? I'm just presenting a summary of the features which are there. These will be taken up in details by Mr. Ranjan Sinha, and also in details when we are giving the demo of the product. So the first feature is integration with AI, which has been used at several places for searching, for knowledge base, for chatbot, and a couple of more areas. There's a mobile application which the agents can use for ease of use and effective utilization. There's an advanced reporting system. There are a lot of security features and systems. Advanced analytics are present in this particular tool. There is an SLA which can be maintained across the multiple services that would have been onboarded onto the system. Multiple kind of authentication. So you have OTP-based authentication or LDAP authentication or integration with Google APIs or any other items are also present. This is integrated with asset management. It has asset management features. The various config classes can be created, assets can be configured, tickets can be raised against the particular assets, and data recorded accordingly. There's a smart admin, which allows a lot of configurable items. Smart logs, where logs are maintained for everything and anything that happens inside the tool. There's a chatbot with AI integration from where the person can directly raise a ticket or look at the status of the ticket and other things. Coming to the model, so now the features are there, everything is there, the software is there. So now how do we disseminate the software to our clients? How do we install it at the customer location? So we have an on-prem model where we will do the sizing and we let you know what are the requirements, and we could host this particular software on your premises itself. There's a cloud model where we could put it on the cloud and then we can give it to you. There is a SaaS model which is coming soon where you will have a user-based system also. What are the various editions? We have standard edition, we have professional edition, and we have an enterprise edition. So in standard edition, there is incident management, self-service portal is there where the users can access the knowledge base, authentication. We have ticket management, agent operations, AI knowledge base. We have a variety of dashboards, service catalogs wherein the services can be onboarded into the system. We have the instance reporting module. We have the chatbot, user manuals, tutorial videos for everything. In professional version, we have additionally the mobile app. In the enterprise version, we have the various levels of service agreement. And also we have asset management. We have change management features here. So that's about the overview of this particular help desk. I would like to hand over to Mr. Ranjan Sinha, who will take you through the detailed presentation, wherein he will talk about the features that are available with the for the complainer, for the agents, for the admin. So he'll cover some of the features for that. And then we will be having a demo also. So over to you, Mr. Ranjan Sinha.
Regarding the initial, if you want to have any question, you can ask them now, or they can be asked later also. So,
Yes, we have a
whatever,
Q&A session at the end also.
or if
If
you
you
want
have
to
any
ask now, you can
questions.
ask now.
Yeah, both way.
I just have a one query
Yes,
that you have mentioned some Android application. So if our field executives and they are using the iPhone, so is there any roadmap that you come up with the iOS application also?
Yes, we have intention of coming up with the iOS application also.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, thank
thank you.
Okay, thank you, Deepaji. Now I think I should share my screen.
Please.
Good afternoon. I think my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to present the features of ihelpdesk software. Basically, ihelpdesk is being also called complaint management system and helpdesk system. So we have standardized this name ihelpdesk with this logo. So because this is our product, and we are going to have a Make in India product, so that logo is there. We have in this software there are three modules. One is complainer, second is agent, and third is admin module. We have again standardized the name, the complainer. Complainer means the person who is going to register a ticket. or you can say the users. Similarly, for the agent, a person or a officer who works on the ticket and resolves the issue. So that we take on the agent area. And third is the admin. So admin is the administrator, you know, for configuration things. There are some restrictions with the administration to control the security of the software. So at the admin module, you will come to know all the advanced features that we have. So we have exclusively developed these features that is not available in other software we find. Then we'll go to the admin module. So first let's start with the complainer. So before entering the software, first you have to register yourself. This is one-time registration. So user have to option to create profile either as a general public or as a company user. So there are two type of users here. One is the public and the company users. For general public, you can have you can register as and you can use as a general. But in the company users, if you are attached with the asset management system of this software, then you have to register as a company user. So based on the registration, you can find your login. After setting up the profile, user have the option to submit a ticket for different services. These tickets are then auto-allocated to agent who offers solution to the raised concern. So this is automatically system. Once you have registered, then you will be able to submit a ticket. Your ticket will be allocated to the particular agent based on your service you have chosen. This method approach guarantee effective issue resolution and enhanced communication between complainer, user, and support agent. So this is the software where the complainer and support agent has interactive sessions. So in the coming slide, you will see how the complainer and support agents can interact after registering a complaint. The simple simple tracking and handling of ticket guarantees prompt and efficient resolution of the user's issue. So due to these interactions, issue of resolve of this ticket is very easy. So if anything wants to know more about the complaint, so agent can ask with the complainer, and the complainer can reply. This using this system. And the system enables simple tracking and handling of tickets, guaranteed prompt and efficient resolution of all the users. So you have the complainer can see in his dashboard and log in where is the ticket, what is happening. So all the activities that can be seen here. This boosts user satisfaction and enhance the overall quality of the service. So complainer knows, okay, what is happening in my ticket. So this is satisfied. Now when you will log in into the system, this is the home page of this is the home page. This is the home page of the system. Once you have logged in, this is the home page. How can I help you today? So this is the search with AI powered suggestion. Before login, if you want to know, sometimes what happens, you don't require the register a complaint. You need some information so that you can resolve your issue. So for that, here is the AI-based search in here. So here in this box, you type the email and email related issues earlier resolved in this system will be displayed here and with the answer. So this smart search not only saves the time, but also increases the likelihood of finding accurate solution without the need of submitting new ticket. So we'll get the accurate solution because that solution has been provided in this system earlier. And that comes with the knowledge base. When we go to the knowledge base, we'll see how it's integrated with our self-service with the resolution of the ticket and submitting the knowledge base. And display the statistics of the ticket summary. Here in the bottom of the screen, you will see the tickets overview, total tickets, total services, FTR, tickets, flows, MTD, YTD, and ETC. That information is there for the whole system. Another feature is chatbot. So chatbot, you can integrate chatbot creation and status check. So you can create a ticket using chatbot also, and you can search before entering the system. If you have already you have a ticket number with you, earlier you have registered, you can just put the ticket number here in the chatbot and you will get the details here. So this is before the entry, before the entering the system, the self-serve services can resolve your issue. Now come to profile. When you are going to register yourself, so you have to create a profile. So profiles are two types, as I told you earlier. It's the general public. Individual can easily create a profile, submit ticket, and track the status of their compliance directly through the system. So these profiles individual had to create. No administration is required. Administration is required to create a user profile or the complainer profile. You have to create your own profile using your email ID and phone number with the OTP authentication. You can create the profile. Similarly, profile can be updated. You can update the profile later on to one, but only two things you can update. You can update the email and mobile number with the OTP verification, and you can update the profile image also. That can be updated. And after the registering, you can have a post profile completion. You can register and manage the ticket. Now, how to register a ticket? Register a ticket. There are so many ways you can register a ticket. So for your login, register your complaint. You can log in through the designated email ID also. So there are various ways to log in the system apart from the creating your profile. So if you have a email that is linked with the software, you can use this email and you can in the system. Sometimes the organizations develop a form. From the forms, you can also enter in the system with the API. And ticket can also be registered with the intelligent devices integrated with the API. So 4-5 ways you can enter in this system. And after that, the ticket is auto-assigned to the agents. So tickets are automatically assigned. There is no manual intervention in this. Once you have entered the ticket, register the ticket are automatically assigned to the most appropriate agent. This feature leverages predefined rules and criteria, such as ticket priority, issue type, agent availability, and skill set, to ensure that each ticket is directed to the right resource without manual intervention. So once you have registered a ticket, the system is developed in such a way so that goes to the particular agent who is going to resolve this ticket. And tracking, update, and regulation. That is comprehensive tracking and update of and regulation, ensuring users are informed on web, via email or SMS. So once you have registered a ticket, you will get a mail notifying that, okay, your ticket has been registered, and similarly you will get the SMS. Same mail will go to the agent that this ticket has been resolved, this ticket has been raised, and you have to work on this. And this is a real-time update. Once you have registered, the mail will be communicated. Similarly, you can see in the web, you log in, and that will be if you click the ticket, the details will be provided here. There. Now, how to register a complaint? So for registering complaint, as soon as you log in to the system, this screen will come. Register your complaint. So first you have to select your project, and you have a service category, subcategory. Service category is the mandatory, subcategory is not mandatory. Maybe sometimes in say some project is email, category is say login issue, subcategory may or may not be. So you have to select based on that. For company users, config item, here is a config item also can be, this is related with the assets. So if you want to raise a ticket with the particular assets, here you can use that. And second is suggested solution. Once you have selected this two things, the project and subcategory, the system will give you the suggested solutions. So these are the suggested solutions. Based on the solutions, you find, okay, click it, the details will come here. If you find, okay, with this solution, your problem can be resolved, you can just click here, take a report, and that will be sent to your mail. So you don't have to register a ticket, and your problem will be resolved. Now, if you wanted to, okay, continue with the uh, entering the details, the subject line will come automatically as soon as you click here. And in the description, you have a text, and you can audio contents also. You can use the voice recorder and explain what are the description that can be explained here. Third is the attachment. You can also attach some files that the format will be PNG, JPG, PDF. Suppose you have some screenshots for the particular issue, you can attach here and you can submit the ticket. Before submitting the ticket, if you find, okay, something is missing and you want to come back later on, so there is a draft option. So you can click the draft. This information will be stored in the draft mode, and later on you can come and you can click the draft. All the details will be filled here, and the missing details. With the missing details, you can continue to submit the ticket. Now, come to the ticket tracking. How to track the ticket? So, in your page, this will be displayed. You can manage and track your ticket possibly with our intuitive interface. Search, created date, ticket number, and subject. So, here with the date, you can search your ticket. These are all your tickets, the person who is going to complain. So, suppose you have 100 tickets and sometime back, okay, you forget and you wanted to see, you can check with the days what is the status of my ticket for the particular date, or you can enter the ticket number here. So, a status will be displayed here. These are the status. Complaint can reply to the agent query, and if the sub query are waiting from here, the regulation officer or agent has asked some information from you, you will get here is the pending, and you can reply the query. And you find, okay, ticket is closed, so you have to check, okay, this is resolved. So in this system, the agent don't have a right to close the ticket. He or she can resolve the ticket. Once you have resolved the ticket, it will be closed in the resolve book, and you have to close this ticket. So while closing the ticket, you have an option to close. Once you click the close, that will be closed, and the rating screen will come. You have to rate the ticket. If you don't want to close, okay, your issue has not been resolved. So you can select the unresolved, and the ticket will be reopened here. So this is very important here. And once, if you have ignored for the 72 hours, then the ticket will be automatically closed. So some agent has resolved your ticket and you have not seen it in 72 hours, so you have not responded. So that this will be automatically closed. 72 hours we have kept in the system, but this is manageable. You can increase or decrease the hour based on your requirement. Now come to our services. So authentication is there. So authentication is through the mobile email by OTP. Okay. You can authenticate through the Google, and LDAP credentials also can be integrated with the system. Notification is the real-time notification and alert to the agent and to the complainer. And this communication between the agent and complainers are there. Rating and feedback. User can evaluate their support experience with a simple 1 and 5-star rating. Complainers' valuable feedback to help us continuously improve our service quality. So rating is very important. Once your ticket is resolved, so there you should rate. If you are not rating there, no problem, you can come out. But next time when you are going to open your system, login, the first screen will come, please rate, and that screen will come. So that time you should rate. the ticket. This actually enhances the quality of the agent knowledge base. So we have seen the knowledge base, your self-service. So whatever comes in the knowledge base that's displayed here, I imply users to find answer reducing the need of submit ticket and thereby decreasing overall ticket of the volume. In the first slide, I show you how to insert the ticket, and this comes to the knowledge base, and here you will find the results. And easy access to a responsibility help resolve issue more quickly, improving our efficiency. So using this knowledge base, it takes less time and down the load of the agent. So this is on the complainer side. Now I'm going to show you the agent type. So the agent do not have a right to create their profile. So admin will create a profile for the agent. You have seen in the complainer that complainer can create a profile him or herself. But here profile has to be mapped with their system uh, so that admin will create the profile. Agent has a right only to edit the profile image and out of office. We have to put the out of office. The out of office is is defined for if the agent is not there. If he is in the leave or he has if the organization is running on a shift, so he in this system he has to stay off. If he is off, the ticket will be not assigned to that agent. So for that purpose, out of office is here because ticket is going to assign is around robin mechanism. So whoever agent is available there at the time of registering a complaint. So ticket is going to assign in round robin mechanism to that agent. If agent is out of office, then the ticket will not be assigned to the agent. And notification updates, if the agent do not want to get the notification, he is on leave or somewhere, so that he can click here on and off. Now come to the agent dashboard. In the agent dashboard, there are three things which are the count ticket wise. We can see the total tickets, new tickets, closed ticket, resolved ticket, pending with user, and rating. So pending with him and pending with user. Suppose the agent has sent some information to the complainer. So here in this state, this will say, so this ticket is pending with user. And these are the pending tickets. So you can see what are the pending tickets and you can click and you can or she can work on this system. Now search ticket. So agent can search the two ways. One is a simple search and another is the advanced search. In the simple search, he can search between the date, distance to date, or with the ticket number that is there everywhere. And all the tickets with the particular date or particular number will be displayed here and he can work on this. Second is advanced search. Advanced search, this is filter based. So these are the advanced filters with the scheme. Once you have select the advanced filter to search for a ticket based on the current status or source, issue, the queue, and the state. So with these parameters, advanced search ELC can search the ticket. You can see the agent wise, you can see the complainer wise, and different state wise. So these search facilities are very strong. Now create ticket. So agent has also right to create ticket for him, herself, or behalf of the others. What happens in the organizations? It has been seen that people just give a ring to a particular agent and say, okay, this is a problem and you have to resolve. So problem is going to resolve that and that has not been recorded anywhere. So in this system, what we have done. So, okay, somebody has called you, some senior staff. Okay, this is a problem. You have to resolve the ticket, resolve the issue. We are not going to intervene on this, but in the system, what you can do on behalf of that person, you can search with his or email ID or the mobile number and get the details and create the tickets. So agent can submit tickets on behalf of users, ensuring that issues are promptly reported, even if the complainer is unable to do so themselves. This function is particularly useful in the scenario where the complainer may be unable to access the system due to technical difficulties or when issues are reported via phone or person. So this is a very unique feature, this software. So nothing is going to do or resolve without recording. So everything, each and everything has to be recorded for providing the services by the agent. And you have to see the ticket management. So how the tickets are going to manage. So agent can communicate, he can email, he can move the ticket, he can change the state, he can change the history, he can see the priority, he can split the ticket, he can transfer the ticket. So all these things we will be able to see actually while our colleague will be showing you the demonstration, the live demonstration. So these are the agents, what agents has to be done. Now it comes to the how the tickets are going to route, the routing and assignment. Ticket route is the based on service, category, profile, agent availability, and downloading package. So once the complainer register a ticket based on the ticket service, category, profile, and agent ability, the ticket is going to assign in the route robin mechanism. Used based on service, department, office location based that take care by the system. If you have a SLA defined in the system, so standard SLA, customer SLA, business hour is 9 to 6, 8 to 8 or 24 hours, based the ticket is going to, and keeping the mind of holidays vendor also. Problem tracking. So in the problem tracking, it's a very good feature here. It's the Redis master and child concept. So Redis master is basically for the mass ticketing. Sometimes one services down and that affects the lots of users. Suppose your network is down and it's going to affect the thousands of people and you got the thousands of tickets. So what happens in the traditional system, the agent has to close each and every ticket one by one. So it takes a lot of time and it's not advisable. So what we have done here, so agent will make one ticket as a master and all the other tickets will be as a child. So once the problem will be resolved, what agent will do? Agent will close the master ticket and all the child ticket will be closed. Within the minute, the thousands of tickets will be closed. Second is a split master and child. Sometimes what happens for one ticket, we have to define register, more than one people has to work on that. So that is the split master and child. So the one agent will split the ticket for the another agent, and after resolving both the agents, this ticket will be closed. Or because if one is going to resolve the issue, another is not going to resolve the issue, the ticket will be not be closed. So both the tickets have to be a problem from both sides has to be resolved. Then the ticket will go to the resolver stage. And there are match
It is
tickets.
4:10, so we need to.
Yeah, I have 5 minutes. I know.
Yeah.
I will just complete. So match tickets. So match tickets are the similar tickets registered earlier. So that agent can see and use that whatever they have done in the earlier that can be resolved quickly. Then there is the auto auction. Then temporary based response auto notification. Notification is there. Ticket movement. I have already explained you the earlier. These are the options there, and there is a communication, internal, external communication uh, within the agent and the external from the complainer, and ticket history. All the ticket history activities will be displayed here. Now come to our services. The authentication we have already discussed. The authentication is based on mobile, email, and OTP US. You can have a login and end of authentication is here. You have a notification of the tickets to the complainer agent, and agent can see any new notices that are put up for them. So there is a notice board concept in the system. So admin has to give some notice, and that notice will be seen to all the agents. So that is the internal communication. That is the notice board in there, and that is knowledge base. Knowledge base is also a very important function of this. Convert ticket to KB. Agent can convert ticket resolved with the root cause to knowledge base. So once the ticket has been resolved, so agent has, this is a mandatory to the agent to write a root cause of the ticket, and that has to be submitted to the knowledge base. For approving process, by subject matter expert will see that ticket, and it will be, after approving, it will be visible in the knowledge base. So if you see the knowledge base, this information is coming from the agent, constantly of support provided to the end user. Now these are the various reports. So agent can see the ticket volume trend. You can see the help desk in depth, the timesheet summary of the agent, and agent performance. So whatever you have given the rating, that performance will be seen here to the agent.
So before the demo, Deepa will, I think, give the demo presentation of the admin work. Deepa, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. So I'll just, how much time do we have? Do we have sufficient time, Mukul?
5-6 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. So fine, I'll just very quickly run you through the admin presentation, and then we can go directly to the demo. So thank you, Ranjanji, for the demo of the complainer as well as for the agent. And I'll just present my screen and give the presentation for the admin.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So I hope my screen is
Yes,
visible.
it is visible.
So very quick walkthrough through the admin. We have a variety of dashboards. We have the admin dashboard where we have the hourly ticket created, resolved, closed trend. So we can monitor hourly how many tickets have been created, closed, and resolved. Then we have the hourly agent login also. How many agents are logged in? Who are the agents who are logged in? Then we have who are the complainers, those who are logged in, what were the tickets that were created in the last 7 days, from where is the traffic coming, people are logging in through the chatbot, email, or maybe directly via the portal. So all these information are visible. There is also information like the quarterly and the yearly tickets. So comparison, how many tickets have been created, how many new open tickets, what are pending with the agent, pending, otherwise pending with the user. And so these quarterly and yearly, annually, everything is there. Then tech to ticket ratio, how many people are there, so how many tickets they are solving, how many high impact issues are coming, what is the happiness index of the people, what is how much self-service is happening. So these kind of information and analytics is there. Then you have a monthly analytics of how many tickets got resolved and what was the resolution time, and it is comparable also with the priorities. We have an aging analysis, how many tickets have been pending in which priority for how many days. And even the tickets are pending in 0 to 24 hours, 24 to 48, and 48 to 72 hours band also. We have a lot of logs which are generated, email logs and SMS logs also, wherein whatever is happening is already mentioned here, and any kind of troubleshooting in case of non-receipt or non-deliveries can be done easily. We even have OTP logs. So when people say that OTP has not been received, so we can check in the system whether OTP has been sent from the system, delivered or not. So all that information is there. We have canned responses. That is, a lot of templates are being used in the system for at the various events and also for the various location. So all that can be defined by the admin. They can be activated, and these templates could either be for email and SMS. Of course, the SMS templates have to be registered. DLT registration has to be done for the SMS templates, but then all that is configurable via the admin. Then we have other security features, like I had mentioned earlier. So IP blocking features, domain blocking features in case of attacks on the servers. These actions can be taken by the admin itself. We have SLA in the whole system. So SLA definition, like business hours definition, working days definition, calendar, holidays, SLA type, and SLAs can be configured through this. So which means that for a particular organization, you could have multiple calendars, multiple business hours and working days, and accordingly that can be configured. When we are talking about services, so service onboarding can be done here, projects, categories, subcategories, services, etc. Then SLA definition for the project, agents, user base, we can define that. We can define what is the knowledge base for that particular service. So accordingly, the whole system will work. So these are configurable. So that was all from my side for the admin. And now be ready for the demo, which will be given by Mr. Vinod Kumar. And Vinod, please proceed. You can share your screen.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, team.
Yes.
And let's just start the demo. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please start.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So, friend, this is the homepage of the software, our application, ihelpdesk. And this is the look and feel of the homepage. This is the company logo, and this is called the top bar. This is the bottom bar 1, and this is the bottom bar 2. In bottom bar 1, you can see all the statistics regarding your services, your tickets, users, how many tickets are created, monthly till date, yearly till date, how many tickets closed, and how many tickets are created by agents. Another great thing about this software is this AI-based search system. If you want to search before creating the ticket, sometimes user needs some kind of help. Actually, that may be not a problem or an issue for him. He needs some kind of help that he can get from here, and this is based on the knowledge bank of the organization provided by the team. So this is AI based solution, and it says as closer to the one. It means it has the higher priority that it is matching most with your question. Every thumbs up will increase its rating. This is the chatbot integration already happened here. You can search any query from here also before creating the ticket, and without login into your system, you can know the status of your ticket, and you can create ticket from here also. So just let's log in. Customer can log in via many ways. That may be through his email address, that may be through his mobile number, or he can directly log in with the Google authentication system. I'm showing you from the Google. and I'm logged in into my system. The first thing that is prompt for you, that is the rating of the ticket. If there are any closed ticket which has not been rated till now, it will tell you about the rating of the ticket, because in many organizations it is quite uh, prominent thing how many ratings you get. I will tell you about it, how to rate in a next slide. So this is the dashboard of the user. This is the complainer. Here he can see how many tickets are open, closed, resolved, pending with me, and pending with the agent. Pending with me means if agent needs any kind of further information regarding your ticket from the complainer, if he sends any note or asks for him for any file, etc., that ticket is remains in the status of pending with me. Just like this, here is the a ticket which is pending with me. I have not sent its reply to the agent. That's why it is pending with me. There are 11 open tickets and 7 closed tickets. All these statistics are available here. From here, he can do his profile work. Just go to the edit. He can edit his email and mobile number, etc. If that is to be needed. This is the for the cosmetic makeover of the system. You can select as per your convenience, whichever. There are many options: navigational position, layout, style, direction, navbar type, etc. All these things are here. Default color is the gray, but you can choose out of any these colors. So this is the main portion where you will register your ticket. A complainer registers his ticket. He will select any service, and he will select its subcategory, its category, and further it may be a subcategory also. Here are some suggested solutions regarding login issue. If a complainer selects any one of this, he will find its solution here, and if he is satisfied with the solution, then he can click on the send email, and an email will be sent with this solution to the user on its registered email address. This is again one try not to create unnecessary ticket, and if still he wants to create a ticket, he can create the ticket. The subject would be automatically fulfilled by its subject, and that was the question. Here he can send the description. He can also attach some kind of any kind of file that should be in the format of PNG, JPG, JPEG, and PDF only. Currently, 1 MB space for the file size is allowed. It can be increased or decreased by the admin. User can also send voice note also just from here. He can save this ticket as a draft, or he can submit this ticket. As well as he will submit this ticket, he will get its number. Numbering is based on the date and time format. Last 4 digits are your real ticket numbers. But it's on the 2024, it's the time, month, date, and hour, minute, second, and this is the ticket number. When a new ticket is created, it remains in the state of new for about 1 minute, because assignment of the ticket is done by the algorithm of round robin system, and that is it takes almost 1 minute. It will find the suitable agent to be assigned in the same service. There may be more than one agents, and maybe some are out of office or on leave, so the ticket would not be assigned to them. Okay, let's move further. That till that this ticket would be assigned to someone. This is the draft portion. You can send this draft again, or do the addition that is required as per your system. And these are the previous complaints that you have just registered. Those are available here. From here, you can do the rating. Once again, I'm showing you that how to rate a ticket. These are the some questions which are put for the demo users, but these questions are also editable by the admin. We can send some ratings. So now this ticket has been rated. This is the person for the feedback and errors report. If a complainer wants to send any kind of error report or suggestion to the admin, he can send it from here. These are the help videos for complainer, whatever action he can perform in his account. All those videos are available here. This is for the login, last login details, when he logged in, when he logged out, from which IP he logged in, which IP he logged out, date and time, and browser. All these things are visible here. So now you can see this ticket is open, and it means this ticket has been assigned to some agent. Now let's move to the agent portion. All the other things are quite similar except for the chatbot. Chatbot is not for agents. Agents have other multiple systems. You can also log in here from your mobile number. Again, I am telling you, OTP you will get if you enter here phone number, OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. And if you will feed here email address, the OTP will be sent on your email address. But this is a demo process, so that we are displaying the OTP right here. So this is the agent. You can log in through your email address also. So this is the home page for agents. This is his ticket dashboard, that is default set. Here he can see the notice. If admin wants to send any kind of notice to the users, all the agents, that will be visible here. This is the ticket dashboard. How many total tickets are with this agent? This agent has how many are new, closed, sold, pending, pending with user, and this is the rating of the agent. How many rating did he get out of 5? So let's take any ticket and work on it. These are the all the actions what an agent can perform on a ticket. I'm going to take you through this. First one is for the communication, and he can do the communication in two ways. One, for the internal note, he can send to any senior or any colleague, and this note would not be visible to the complainer. Complainer can see only the notes that are sent to him, and that is under the reply to complainer note. He can do this. Yeah, just like if he wants any further information or any file, etc., that can be done from here. Email to others, to the person who is not the part of the ihelpdesk system. Suppose that's a vendor and you want some kind of information or from him or help, you can send him also email from here. Move ticket is for the if you want to send this ticket inside the same service to the other category, that can be done from here. Here is this is the person for the change state. You can just like if you are saying that this process ticket is in process, then you will see here in process. Put a note and submit it. Its status would change to the in process. This is the history portion. You can see all the tickets related, all its complete history. what is and when it was created, what is the its status, who performed and what he did on it. That can be all seen from here, and you can also download it as a PDF. Priority can be changed from 1 to 5. Default priority is 3, but as per convenience, this can be also chosen. This is for the to split a ticket into more than one. Ticket can be splitted. Just if there is a ticket and it needs to be work more than one people on it, that can be done from here, and it will split into two or more as per the need. All the tickets would, when all the tickets would be closed, that this ticket would be can only be closed or resolved. Otherwise, this cannot be done. This is for the Redux master. If there are some tickets of the same issue, suppose one day email is not working, so all the tickets would suppose there are 500 tickets regarding the email only. So make a Redux master ticket, and all other tickets would be his child ticket. On single click, instead of closing or resolving every ticket, on single click, all the tickets can be closed. Transfer can be done. Transfer is if you want to send any ticket out of your service in any other service. Suppose a ticket has come to the finance service while it is regarding to the HR service, so you can send it from here. Again, I am telling you, move means inside your service to other category, and transfer means to other service and its category. Assign to agent, you can send a ticket to proper any agent to whom you want to assign. That can be done from here. And here you can see the tickets preview in details. And again, you can also download it as a PDF. This is the portion for the Redux master. If any Redux is already existing regarding this ticket, in which it would be added, that can be done from here. These are the ticket informations. To whom this ticket is assigned, who is the agent, and what is its mobile number, email address, that all can be seen from here. Customer details are visible here. And matched tickets, if there are any already matched tickets, that is available here. It is quite useful for the agent. Now let's move to the tickets portion. There are the tickets which are assigned to particular this agent and what action he has taken on this. All that information is here. Inside its queue, in one category may be assigned to more than one agents. All those things are tickets are available here that may be assigned to him or to the other his colleague agent, but that is within its category that can be seen from here. This is the portion for the convert to KB. The resolved tickets he can send to the admin for the knowledge bank, and if admin approves that, that is added to the knowledge bank. Search ticket again here, quite an impressive and strong features it has. It you can search ticket from start date to end date. You can search ticket easily from the ticket number. These are some advanced filters which include status. You can search any ticket from its status, its source, whether it was created by app, chatbot, email, or web. In queue wise, you can select choose the ticket. You can search the ticket into the states in various and different all the states. All states are available here. Agent wise ticket can be searched, and complainer wise ticket also available here. This is the portion for the ticket creation. An agent can also create a ticket. He can create tickets in two formats. He can create on the behalf of any user, complainer, any other person, or on behalf of himself. If he is creating ticket on someone other's behalf, just enter his mobile number or email address, and it's all the details would be visible here. And now you can create the ticket with all the same system which was in the complainer module. You can create a ticket, but this ticket is created on the behalf of someone other, and he can create a ticket without any other's behalf also. These are the my created tickets which are being created by himself. These are the reports, all tickets. The report is available here, and you can export it to the Excel. The data is modifiable. Default is by for the last 7 days, but it is also editable. You can use that for your convenience. Help desk is for the all full help desk, all tickets, what is its stands, and what is how many tickets are created, how many tickets resolved, how many tickets are pending, how many tickets are closed during this time in last 1 week. But again, this is also editable. Ticket strength volume of complete iHelpdesk system you can see from here. Agent's performance can be seen from here, that how many tickets, what is the priority of his tickets, how from source, which source he got the ticket, and in which queue he got all these tickets, because an agent may be assigned to more than one category also. Timesheet summary can be seen here. Its login time, its logout time, that all thing is here, and how many minutes he logged in, when he logged in, and when he was logged out. How many tickets are attended by it? So it is available here. What is its contribution to the KB? That is here, and this is the rating of the agent. What rating he got on the tickets which he has closed. So this is the reports portion. Feedback is same. Agent can send any error report or suggestion to the admin. He can also attach any kind of these kinds of files that are maybe PNG, JPG, and PDF. Directory is again a great functionality of the system. If there are some maybe more than one L1 staff and some L2 staff, and if you want to contact to them, directory is available here. All the who is its officer, who is its L1 staff, L2, L3 staff, and their name, their mobile number, and email address is available here. This is complete of your organization and its services who are resolving the tickets. Help videos are for same for the agents also. These videos are available, and this is the login and its logout last login complete statistics of its what is its IP address, operating system, browser, login and logout time, that is available here. So I'm done.
Okay,
If there
thank you,
is any
Vinod.
question, yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. So you can remove
Take it, sir.
any questions from anybody?
No, from our side.
Okay. Okay. So if nobody has any question, then thanks everybody for joining, and really appreciate that on a Saturday evening, so many people have joined, and we will be in touch with you. And if any documentation, anything is required, please let us know. Anshu will coordinate with everybody for that. And thanks you again for joining. And
Sure.
we'll
Thank
close
you.
the
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So we can just open our screens. मैंने इसलिए बोला एडमिन का देने के लिए, आगे से शायद हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि 3 प्रेजेंटेशन और 3 डेमो है ना, ऑल्टरनेट 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 करके कर ले।
Okay.
वाई आई एम सेइंग इज एक ही बंदा बोलता रहता है, एक तो वो बंदा भी थक जाता है और सुनने वाले भी, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट अगर कोई रिएक्शन नहीं आ रहा है ना सामने से या बीच में कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा है तो
हाँ, तो
सामने,
थोड़ा सा बोरिंग हो जाता है।
हाँ थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है। आई डोंट नो, मतलब आप बताइए रंजन जी।
नहीं ठीक है, एक तो आपने एडमिन को अपडेट भी कर दिया, हमारे पास वो कहाँ था अपडेटेड, जो आपने 2 स्लाइड ऐड किया तो
तो
वो
स्लाइड
भी
बाद में ऐड कर दी।
हाँ
तो
वो भी हो गया। अच्छा,
अभी और भी ऐड हो सकती है एडमिन में, मगर
एडमिन
मुझे,
में थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा और ऐड, मैं
हाँ
देख रहा था तो
हाँ
एडमिन को थोड़ा सा और करना
मैंने
पड़ेगा।
आज एडमिन का भी दिया था रंजन सर को, थोड़ा सा दिखाया था, तो उसमें तो मतलब बहुत सारी फंक्शनलिटीज हैं जो हमने इसमें तो डाल ही नहीं रखी। ऑफ कोर्स
हाँ
वो सब अगर हम डालते हैं तो लंबा भी बहुत हो जाएगा, बट
नहीं नहीं, देखो
वो सब
ये
भी
ना
दिखाना
हमें
चाहिए।
हमें पहले तो ये जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन है तो ये यूट्यूब चैनल पे मैं डालूंगी। और अगर ऐसा लगता है कि कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन है जिसमें ज्यादा फीचर्स हैं, उसके छोटे छोटे प्रेजेंटेशन बना के, सी इट इज, ये सिर्फ स्टार्ट है, इसको हमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रमोट।
ज्यादा नहीं देना चाहिए।
क्या बात कर दीपा, दीपा वो जमाने खत्म हो गए कि नहीं देना।
अच्छा ठीक है।
जितना मटेरियल वेब पे दोगे उतने लोग इंटरेस्टेड होंगे, कोई ना कोई आएगा। अब ये तो, अगर आपने 10 लोगों को बताया तो 100 को क्यों नहीं बताना।
हाँ ठीक है।
कोड
ठीक।
थोड़ी दे रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट के फीचर दे रहे हैं। प्रेजेंटेशन एक यूट्यूब चैनल पे डालेंगे इसको, एक हमारे जो टेट्रा का यूट्यूब चैनल है, अगर लगता है उसमें छोटे छोटे स्निपेट, ये तो पूरा का पूरा सीधा डालेंगे, सारे लोग डालते हैं अपने वेबिनार तो डालते ही हैं, जितने
हम्म
वेबिनार है सारे डालेंगे। वो नहीं बताने वाला तो अभी तो ये है कि किसी को लगे कि यार ये सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है,
हम्म।
कोई
हाँ ठीक
देखेगा।
है।
तो विनोद, अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ लगता है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन है तो उसका, अब हमें एक फॉर्मेट तो हमारा क्रिएट हो ही है, तो इसका 5 मिनट का प्रेजेंटेशन किया, 15 लोग तो बुला ही लेंगे इमीडिएटली, 2 मोबाइल से 2 इधर से करके 15 लोग को बुला लेंगे।
नहीं, मैं अभी दिखाई देता हूँ आपको, जैसे एडमिन वाला
नहीं नहीं,
पर्सन,
अभी बंद करते हैं,
यही
अभी और भी
डिस्कस कर
बहुत
लेते हैं।
चीजें हैं
हाँ,
विनोद, अभी अभी रहने देते हैं
ठीक है,
अभी।
ठीक है,
आज
ठीक।
सुबह से काफी चीजें चल रही हैं अभी, मेरी रिपोर्टिंग वगैरह भी बची हुई है तो।
एडमिन की तो प्रेजेंटेशन बनी हुई है ना, जो पहले हमने बनाई थी, उसमें
दीपा,
सारा
इसकी जो
डाला हुआ है,
फाइनल प्रेजेंटेशन है वो दे
उसको
देना एक
इसमें
बार,
कन्वर्ट करना है थोड़ा
ये
सा और
फाइनल है,
हाँ,
ताकि उसको हम,
दो तो फाइनल है अभी, कंप्लेनर और एजेंट, एडमिन को थोड़ा सा वर्क कर
इसका
लेते हैं।
रंजन जी जो कल की मीटिंग थी, आज की मीटिंग में तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, मैंने वो बना दिए थे, उसके हिसाब से प्लान बनाइए और फिर मंडे ट्यूसडे को डिस्कस करते हैं कि इस क्वार्टर का इसके बेस पे कुछ डेवलपमेंट प्लान बनाना है या क्लाउड पे करना है या क्या करना है। ठीक है, तो अंशु आपने ये स्टोर किया हुआ है ना,
यस सर।
तो ये भेज देना, तो इसको फिर ये लास्ट वाला पोर्शन कट के, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर चुके हो ना अभी आप।
नहीं अभी तो
नहीं,
चल
अभी तो
नहीं नहीं, वहाँ कर देना चाहिए था ना, जब वो खत्म हो गया तो कर दो रिकॉर्ड, ये थोड़ी रिकॉर्ड होगा।